Welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer money from Bybit to Revolut. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with a clear understanding of how to successfully transfer your funds. First, you need to have an account on both Bybit and Revolut. If you don't have one, sign up for both platforms and complete the verification process. This is a crucial step as it ensures the security and legitimacy of your transactions. Once you have your accounts set up, log into your Bybit account and navigate to the asset page. Here, you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold on the platform. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and click on the Withdraw button. You will then be asked to enter the withdrawal address. This is where you need to enter your Revolut wallet address. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. You can find your Revolut wallet address by logging in to your Revolut account, going to the Accounts tab, and selecting the cryptocurrency you want to receive. After entering the withdrawal address, you will need to specify the amount you want to withdraw. Be aware of the minimum and maximum withdrawal limits, as well as any fees associated with the transaction. Bybit will also prompt you to confirm the transaction, so make sure to review all the details before proceeding. Once you have confirmed the transaction, Bybit will process the withdrawal and transfer the funds to your Revolut account. This may take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain network and the workload of the Bybit platform. To check the status of your transaction, you can go to the transaction history page on your Bybit account. Here, you will see the details of your withdrawal, including the transaction ID, amount, and status. You can also track the transaction on the Blockchain Explorer to see the progress of the transfer. Finally, once the funds have been transferred to your Revolut account, you can use them to make purchases, exchange them for other currencies, or simply hold them in your wallet. Revolut also offers a range of features, such as real-time exchange rates and low fees, making it a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your funds. In conclusion, transferring money from Bybit to Revolut is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency transactions. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily transfer your funds and start using them on the Revolut platform. Remember to always double-check the withdrawal address and transaction details to avoid any mistakes. And be aware of the fees and limits associated with the transaction.